Afona and Osaiti elevation was given by Oba Ewuare II when the Priests-designate were presented to the Oba in his palace in Benin City amid jubilation. Mr. Afona O Isibo was proclaimed Ohe Riaza of Ewuare Benin village deity in Ovia Northeast local government area, while Mr. Osaiti Obasuyi Shadow was named Ohe Akpogun Nesasagbasa Obayantotu village, Sapele Road in Ikponmwosa local government area of Edo State. The priests will be formally unveiled after the traditional rites have been performed in accordance with the directive of Oba Palace. They are also to perform their priestly duties and worship after the deities in line with the dictates of the Oba, the prescribed authority of Benin customs and tradition. Ikponmwosa Ugiagbe, ITV News.